Cherish, you could call me Cherry, because you know I ain't even doing all that, guys. So basically, this video that y'all is about to see, these collages of videos y'all is about to see, is basically what I've been doing since I've been gone. So you might see a makeup tutorial, you might see a car crash, you might see somebody dead, you might see a fight, you might see anything. You don't know what you're gonna see, because I don't know what y'all gonna see, because I don't know what I've been recording all these days, but I know I was recording a lot of stuff. But we're not talking about that. We're talking about how it's just a bunch of stuff put together, and it's a very great vlog, and it's very interesting. So I'm not trying to hear it don't have no gist, because I don't got no gist, baby. Hey, Monty, right? So I'ma edit this video and I'ma give it to y'all, and y'all eat it up, cause I served that plate. All right, y'all. Hey y'all, so it's your girl motherfucking Cherish, and you can call me Cherry because you know that I keep it sweet. And so I'm finna do a makeup tutorial because I feel like doing one, because yeah. So I'm gonna talk to y'all while I'm doing it. So right now I'm finna start off with doing my eyebrows. I just sharpened the pencil a little bit, but yeah, I'm finna start off with doing my eyebrows. And yeah, it's like this, and then I'm gonna just make it longer. Okay, see how I just made it longer, and then I'm gonna do all the little concealer stuff. But yeah, being the person I am, if you want to front your move, I'm not gonna expose you. I mean, that's you. What's done in the dark gonna come to light. Oh my gosh. I haven't worn makeup in like a week, actually, to be honest. Cause I don't care, you know, like we got the mask on and stuff. So it's like, what is I wearing makeup for? Like, that's how you mess up your face. Cause like, you don't get no time to take off your mask to like take pictures. So like, what's really the point? You feel me?
Well, back in the lowlands. A few moments later. Moments later. Moments later. More moments later. 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 In the void.
The flash, they probably gonna be.
It was an accident. That was a car right there. I think they ran into the police.
Nah, police just blocking it off right there.
Mm-hmm. No, it's another car right here.
Oh, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
You said they
I saw all the stuff. They think they hit that pole. They must have trying
I can't
to
even
run.
zoom in no more.
They was trying to run from the police.
Well, they did, because they surely ain't right there no more. Ain't nobody locked
They
up.
gone.
They just be getting feet on God. That's why I said, don't ever pick me up in no stolen car. I can't run that fucking fast.
Yeah, they done told this car.
Because whoever they catch, that's who going to jail. I can't run that fast. I'm not a criminal.
Oh, all of this just happened right here. That's...
Y'all can't even see me.
Let me tell you, we don't care.
I just want y'all to see me making these videos. I'm gonna put this in the vlog. This is the camera that I'm using, y'all. So, here go the brownie mix. I'm gonna add it in. The shows, I just eyeballed it just like I eyeballed the oil, because oil is what makes sure anything gets baked moist. That's what makes it moist, not water. I like this how it look, y'all. This the pan I'm using. This the spray I'm using. 2 eggs is cracked. So yeah.
Here to tell you right now, we don't care. Let me tell you something. We don't care.
Your girl Cherish. You can call me Cherry because you know I keep it sweet. Anyway, so.
Mess, please stop.
Oh, no, I thought you wanted to be in the vlog.
No, I don't.
Okay.
I'm busy.
Anyways, I'm at Home Depot, y'all. So, you know, I'm at Home Depot and we picking up some stuff she ordered online.
Why are you telling me my business?
It's a part of the vlog. You're supposed to tell them.
Okay.
So, you know, yeah, that's basically what I'm doing. I don't know, people was just being ghetto. They was arguing, but then they said they was just kidding. So,
That was funny.
yeah. So, I'm gonna hit y'all back up when I leave at the store. Oh, my mask leaning.
Mm-hmm.
Girl, Cherish, you can call me Cherry because you know that I keep it. I can't see. Look at him, he all up. Touch him.
Well, back in the lowlands.
Just came back from the stores and I got me nice little caramel frappe, not from McDonald's, straight from Starbucks. Sup, Skinny. Hey YouTube. Okay. Oh yeah. Ooh shit. Hey YouTube, it's your girl Cherish. You can call me Cherry because you know I keep it sweet. So, yeah. Okay, now for real. Oh shit. But for real though. For real. Okay, let me get the fuck up. So I just basically want to tell y'all that my motherfucking waist snatched just like a nigga. I wouldn't do no stuff like that. Don't think I would do that. Would I? Hell no. I don't like when people talk to my man, so I don't talk to other people, man. But if you play with my man, I still ain't gonna play with yours. But I might just get, I might just become friends with an E. And I might just send her to come crack your man like it's Easter. Okay, hey y'all. Hey. So I got this here and I got this brownie mix. You know the vibes. I got me some vegetable oil. And I got me not 1, not 5, but 2 golden large grade eggs in a carton. Okay, so we're gonna open this. And you're gonna make sure you preheat your oven to 500. Not 350 though. Wait a minute. I could have sworn I put you on 375. Oh shit! Don't be getting on me. People who I swear to God. Always doing something. That's so irritating, man. Yeah. Oh, that's the first time I ever dropped a shell in something. Probably because I'm talking to y'all. Y'all know what I want? I want some, wash my hands. That's what I want. Nah, for real though, I want some, Subway. Soon as I leave my house, that's what I'm gonna get. Or I could make my ex bring me some. One of my exes. You know what? I'm being real loyal now. I'm not being loyal, I'm lying. But today I've been chilling on the whole scaling because I haven't did much for real. Today I haven't teed up or nothing. I lied one time today. For real. I'm gonna add some water, y'all. And it looks like I added just enough by eyeballing it. Don't be like me though. Listen to the directions on the back of the box. Let me scoop all of that to the bottom. I'm gonna go get a fork and make sure I get all the little crevices. I hate when you pouring this stuff out and it be stuff at the bottom that did get fucking mixed. Like, you big back water bottleneck. All this oil. All that oil in your junk. All the oil in your junk. All the oil in your junk. All the oil. It's a whole bottom mix, y'all. So I really don't have time for that. Like, that's mad embarrassing. You be thinking you did your stuff, but you didn't do anything. Let's embarrass yourself. Use a goofy. So now we're going to spray some of these vegetable oil. Vegetable oil. And your thing like this, so. And make sure it don't stick to your pants, so. Oh, yeah. And now I'm going to pour it in. Look, it's the little brownies in the pan.